Hi everyone, today I'm gonna talking about the benefits of using Microsoft Excel macro instead of the manual process which can be done every day. Let's begin with this sample, and after that sample and how could it be easy to do, we can talk about the summary of these benefits together. Okay. Here is an example of what I need to know now, or what I need to know exactly after the analytics or after the analysis which the macro will do for us. For example, this is an original sheet has been exported from the system of the company which are working together in. For example, this is transactions has been done on the 10th of November 2021, and we have the refused and the denied ones, and we have the reservation numbers, amount, currencies, the PSP link or the payment link, and then the payment method, and the credit card number and the approval code, and the office which had sale this product, as we have many offices here, and sure we have thousands of rows. We need to make analytics from these original data in a file of Microsoft, which will be as simple here. We can name it as the same of the date report. For example, here it will be 10 November 2021, because we need to save this simple file to use it after, for tomorrow and after tomorrow, and for example it's every day. So this is today's file. So this file is already containing two macros. Here I will start with the one and end with the other one. Here we have only three sheets. Those two sheets, the samples and live currencies, are some reference that we need. It's a fixed two sheets. So we have only here the original. It's a blank one and contains the same subjects which are already exist in our original one, because I need to take all of these data, Control Shift now as you see, and then copy all of those. We have 3,797 rows. We will transfer all of them through pasting them values inside the other file which we will use the macros. Now we need to make many calculations on this file. Okay, let's begin. For example, if I need to specify every transactions, for example, I need every office, how much did it sell yesterday, or we are talking here about a specific date. Okay, with which currency, every currency, how much, and which are the most of the credit cards which has been declined. We have amounts, we have status. OK means accepted, KO means denied. What is exactly is accepted or denied here? It's request or verification or identification for the customer. Everything we have. So let's begin. If we do this work through a manual process every day, I think at the end you need much more time than you can imagine to extract all these data into benefit results, analytics results, which you can use them all to see or to display the current status of your business. Okay, let's start the macro. Here is, now we will start showing how come the macro can simplify these kind of reports. Let's start with the first macro. As you see, it's already working itself. It's organized, it's making tables, it's delete rows, delete columns, arrange after here it's the pivot table. is being. Here we have slices. See now how many sheets do we have at the bottom of this file. Let's see. This is method of payment denied. For example, we need to know every method of payment, how many denied transactions has been done through this method of payment for the specific date we mentioned before, and the total of them will be 681, for example, here. Okay, then we need also to know each office or each branch worldwide. We have here about 35 or 50 or 60. Okay, let's 65. Every office, how many denied transaction has been done. Sure, the total or the sum of these all denied transaction will be the same as the one used before in the previous sheet, which is the method of payment. Here we are arrange the denied depending on every method of payment. The denied transactions for the 10th of November were 681. It will be also here 681, but here we are analytics, or we are analyze the data depending on the branch office name. Then we have the same for the succeeded ones. We have a sheet for the method of payment and how many succeeded transactions for every method of payment, and then how many succeeded transactions for every branch. Also they are the same, 2006, so all we are right. You see here it's already a calculation has been recorded inside the macro. I didn't write anything. Here is a reference which helped me to do this. Here we have the very benefit results that we have. Here is a summary. This sheet is a summary of all previous sheets, all denied and all accepted previous sheets, and here sure the original one which we already had before using the start macro. Let's see how it's been. Now the macro, we have extract a chart from this benefit macro. It's a dynamic chart, dynamic dashboard. Here we have all the total transactions. We have succeeded how many, we have denied how many, and then the acceptance rate is 74.66. And here we have every branch. We have the succeeded one and the denied ones. If for example we choose here one of them, this, okay, do you see it's a dynamic, it's already transferred the numbers here depending on this branch and give us an acceptance rate for this branch, denied and a succeeded. Here is a succeeded, here is a denied. If you calculate it manually, you will see that total is correct. If you also filter this branch with, for example, I need to know how many visa have been done this day, so we have 74 succeeded visa transactions and 17 denied in the same year. The total, the acceptance rate. This is an example for every dynamic. This is for the dynamic dashboard. If you want also to to analyze depending on the currency only, so it will give you the branches which are using this currency, which is the acceptance and the denied rates and all the totals. Here we have a very low acceptance rates due to we have some branches has a very high denied rate. You can analyze. This is a very good analysis. It's put a light on the much denied ones, which you have to concentrate on the why we have here a high rate of the denied transactions. So if you want also to depending on what you need, you can get it. Let's concentrate of the target of this video. Just it's not how to make the macro. It's an easy way. I am just concentrating here on what are the benefits of using the macro. You see, you already saw together with me how come it has been created, this report. You just close your eyes and open your eyes. You saw with me together that it has been created in just 1 minute maximum. This job, imagine how much effort and how many time can you spend in creating every day this one. I think it will not be less than 2 or 3 hours you can waste every day to accelerate or to export this very good analytic report. But through the Microsoft Macro, you saw that it has been very benefit results with it. Thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to activate the notification bell in order to avoid missing any future video. Thanks a lot and see you soon in the next video.